Stop drinking your daily tea the traditional way. You are leaving 80% of its biological energy potential behind. If you are over 40 and looking to reclaim your physical drive, sharp focus, and natural blood flow, this video is the answer. How does this simple spice turn a basic cup of tea into a vascular multiplier that opens stiff blood vessels and supports free testosterone production in just 20 minutes? As men cross 40, baseline circulation slows, blood vessels gradually lose their smooth elasticity, and total free testosterone levels steadily decline. Drinking plain, tannin-rich tea without an active vascular activator often leads to quick degradation of its antioxidants in the stomach. This targeted strategy was designed specifically for the man who wants to regain total confidence, physical strength, and energy right from his kitchen. Why does this transformation happen so rapidly? And why are crushed cloves the non-negotiable trigger for this protocol? Whole cloves contain the highest concentrated source of eugenol on Earth. When infused into warm tea, eugenol acts as a powerful natural antioxidant that directly shields the Leydig cells in the testes from oxidative damage, creating an optimal environment for natural testosterone synthesis. At the same time, eugenol triggers the endothelial lining of your blood vessels to ramp up production of nitric oxide, the master signaling gas that tells your arteries to relax, expand, and push oxygen-rich blood straight to your brain, working muscles, and pelvic tissue. Here is how to prepare this high-performance tea protocol in your kitchen with exact precision. Steep a bag of organic green tea, black tea, or hibiscus tea in warm water for 3 to 4 minutes. Take 2 whole cloves, place them on a cutting board, and gently crush them with the flat side of a knife to crack open the oil glands. Drop the crushed cloves directly into the warm tea. Stir the mixture thoroughly for 15 seconds and let it steep together for 2 to 3 minutes before drinking. Drink this mixture in the morning or early afternoon on a clear stomach to establish a powerful foundation for daily blood flow and endocrine support. Before you steep your next mug, you must avoid 3 major mistakes that will completely neutralize these performance benefits. First, never use whole, uncrushed cloves. Swallowing or steeping whole, hard clove buds fails to break the tough outer cell wall, leaving the active eugenol trapped inside. You must gently crush or bruise the clove right before steeping to release its aromatic essential oils. Second, never add refined sugars or artificial sweeteners. Adding sugar or synthetic syrups causes an immediate insulin spike, which triggers vascular inflammation and shuts down nitric oxide production. Drink your clove-infused tea unsweetened or with just a drop of raw honey. Third, never drop crushed cloves into boiling hot water. Water that is at a rolling boil destroys heat-sensitive antioxidants and volatile eugenol oils. Always let your brewed tea cool slightly to a warm, drinkable temperature before adding your crushed cloves. Let's step inside your cardiovascular system to see what happens after your very first glass of this infused brew. Between minute 1 and minute 5, the warm eugenol and biocompounds pass smoothly through the stomach lining. The warmth relaxes gastric tissue and accelerates nutrient entry into the bloodstream. Between minute 10 and minute 20, your body enters the target activation zone. Active eugenol triggers peripheral vasodilation, expanding microblood vessels by up to 25%. You may feel a subtle wave of mental clarity, physical warmth spreading into your hands and feet, and a noticeable rise in baseline stamina. Over the next 24 hours, these active compounds remain at work in your system. They fight vascular inflammation, prevent energy crashes, and maintain smooth arterial elasticity throughout the day and night. I want to hear from you down in the comments. How do you usually drink your tea in the morning, and have you ever tried adding crushed cloves to it before? Drop your age and your answer in the comments below so we can see who is taking action today. If you want more simple life hacks like this to naturally protect your vascular health, boost your energy, and optimize male vitality, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel right now. Don't keep this simple morning secret to yourself. Share this video with another man over 40 who is ready to reclaim his physical edge. If you want to discover more simple kitchen tricks to supercharge your circulation and protect your vitality, head over to the channel right now. We have dozens of powerful breakdowns waiting for you.